we have the weak acid and we have the strong acid. Okay, so what are the weak acid and what are the strong acid? You must be wondering, ba? Nice. So the strong acids, these are acids that ionizes completely in an aqueous solution. Okay, why weak acid? These acids, they ionize partially in an aqueous solution. So, like I told you before, acid, they ionize the water to form a cation and an anion. Nice. And the cation is usually what? A hydrogen proton. Nice. So, once strong acid ionize, they ionize completely. But if it's a weak acid, they ionize partially. So, example of strong acid is HCl, you have HNO3, you have H2SO4. Nice. So, for example of weak acid, you have ethanoic acid, okay, as an example of weak acid which ionizes partially. Nice. So let's move over to how do we form these acids? Okay, how are acids being prepared? How do you prepare acids in a lab setting? Okay, nice. So number one way of forming acid is when you react acid and hydrides in water. Okay, so what I call this point is the solution of acid and hydrides in water. So once you dissolve acid and hydrides in water, you tend to form acids. For example, okay, you react CO2 plus H2O, are going to form H2CO3. Okay, so this is trioxocarbonate. Yes, so this is trioxocarbonate acid. Nice. Also, when you react okay, nice. So when you react sulfur oxide, okay, sulfur dioxide with water, you're going to form trioxosulfate acid. Trioxosulfate acid also. Nice. So these are acid anhydrides. Okay, these are acid anhydride because when you react this with water, you form acid. So this is number one way of preparing acid in a lab setting. Also, you can form acid when you combine the constituent of that acid. Okay, when you combine the major constituent of that acid. For example, you want to form HCl. This is hydrochloric acid, a very conc acid. Nice. You want to form this acid in a lab setting. So for you to form this acid, you can simply combine the constituents. That's hydrogen plus chlorine. Okay, this is a gas. This is a gas. Nice. So once you combine hydrogen with a chlorine, you're going to form HCl. Okay, so another way of forming acid in the lab setting is just combining the major constituents of that particular acid. Okay, so when you combine hydrogen with a chlorine, you form what? Hydrochloric acid. Nice. Also, you can form acid when you displacing the weak acid from its salt. When you displace the weak acid from its salt by a stronger acid. So this is the third way of forming acid in the lab setting. Nice. So you displace a weak acid from its salt by what? By a stronger acid. So I'm going to give you an equation to justify that. Okay, nice. So sodium chloride is going to react with H2SO4. Okay, nice. So it's going to give you sodium sulfate plus HCl. So this is a salt. Okay, this is a stronger acid. So we are going to use this stronger acid to displace a weaker acid. Okay, doesn't mean that HCl is a weak acid generally, but it's weaker to H2SO4. So you're going to use this stronger acid to displace HCl from this salt of the acid. So HCl is here because you're seeing this chloride inside here. So you're going to displace HCl from a salt. So this third process is displacing a weak acid from a salt by a stronger acid. So where is our stronger acid? Here. Okay? Where is the weak acid that was displaced? Here. So this is the third step of forming acids in the laboratory.